Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video by Block himself. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, how you doing today? Today we're gonna be trying out the spear challenge. And if you don't know what the spear challenge is, it's basically if there's any character like Paco that has the thrust, like the thrust spear, you can use it for this challenge. So basically, you cannot use your joystick at all, and the only movement you can have is by your spear thrust. That's the only way you can move in the game. So I was thinking a good character for that would definitely, wait, let me just upgrade Buck real quick. Let's just do that. Hold on, guys. I'll cut this out. Alright, so I was thinking of choosing Larry because Larry has a really far spear, and the only other person I know that has a really long spear is probably Paco, Finn, who else? Iris, not that much. Lizzie, Bruce, but his sucks. So we're gonna be using Larry for this video, and the only time I can move my joystick is if at the very start of the game. Like, it's this challenge would be literally impossible if I can't move at the start to get a spear. Like, it would just be impossible unless there's a very rare coincidence I land on a spear, which I'm not doing that. So we're just gonna be moving around, find a spear, and then we'll do that. Alright, let's get the video started. Elaine! Oh my god, Elaine! How did I not notice Elaine? Alright, Elaine's gonna win it for me, guys. I mean, Elaine is my favorite character. Like, how can I miss this out? I can't believe that. Oh yeah, I can move. I forgot. I didn't see a spear yet. Oh, she got a golden spear. See if I can kill this guy. Oh, we got a spear. Oh, guys. I think I lost the challenge. Nah, it doesn't count. Kill me. I'm sorry. Wait, no. I wanna get some trophies at least. Maybe I will. If this video is so long to the point I have to cut it out, then I will. God. Hey, maybe I'll make like a. Maybe I'll make one where it's like edited out. Sure. Do that. Alright. Oh. Okay, I got the spear. Hey, that counts. It's good. It's good. I almost didn't realize I'm playing this challenge. Alright, we got a better spear. If I can get it. Like, I wish you can do that with Finn. With his thing. Nah, I'm gonna win this, guys. I'm gonna win this. Elaine is my power suit, but like this big disadvantage. This is a big disadvantage right now. Okay, let's look through this window. All right. Yes. Alright, go get that. Boom. Guys, we're making progress. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say guys, but sorry, guys. Wait, what? I was in it. I was literally in it. Alright. Are you serious? we're good. We're good. We're good. This is looking really good. I see a level 8. That's perfect. I need lower levels to win. This guy's tough. It's only because I can't freaking like play the game anymore. Oh yeah, that's some good one. Let's go! Maybe I can get it, please. There we go. Guys. Okay. I think it's getting annoying now, but sorry for saying it so many times. Gosh. Are these guys bots? There's no way. I'm actually winning, guys! Bro. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's the other. Oh, bro. Oh. Okay, let's just let them fight. Let's just let them fight. Let them fight. Let them fight. Yes! Oh my god! I actually won! I actually won! And I got 7 kills. I can't believe it. I was right. Elaine, you are incredible. Wow. I actually can't believe it. I won without using the joystick. Well, at the beginning you have to use the joystick, or it's impossible. But like, that's so freaking impressive. Like, I don't know anyone else that can do that. Wow, Elaine came in clutch. Hey, if you guys enjoyed this video, maybe there's more content. I don't know. This is a new channel, so I'm trying to get it started up. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you guys want to see those, it'd be pretty cool if you guys could do that. So 3 videos a week. I'm planning to. If I run out of challenges to do, then I'll just let you guys know in like the community. But thank you guys for watching. Love you. Peace out. Juke you guys later.